Hey YouTube, Soul the Fro here. I know my hair looks kind of crazy right now, but there is a method to my madness. I'm going to show you a quick hairstyle I like to do with a really old braid out. Okay, so first I'm just going to twist this back, because that's going to be my bang. This is what I like to call the messy braid out bun. Specifically for natural short thin hair. Okay, all you need is leave-in, check. Bobby pins, check. There's more than that, I promise. Eco Styler if you want to smooth down the sides, which I want to, so that's why I have it. And I have my water and oil mixture to lock in the moisture. I'm just going to put a little bit of leave-in in. About a nickel amount. Is that a thing people say? A nickel amount of Eco Styler just to smooth down that side. And this water and oil mixture to lock in that moisture I just got. Okay. I don't know if I told you if you needed a hair tie, but you do, so get one. There's mine. You just need one. You just take it, put it on your head, put it around twice, and then I like to take a bobby pin and anchor it to the back so my bun can't move up. Then you just take your hair, take like this big of a section and bend it to the front and pin it. And you just do this all around your head. And you don't even need a sock, see? I knew there was a way to do this without putting a sock or going out and buying hair. And it can be as neat or as messy as you want it to be. Okay, the messy bun's done. Now I'm going to take down my bang. You don't have to have a bang, I just like having a bang. Now, I'm all done. Thanks for watching.